counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, and Wabash. Blizzard warning in effect until 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. or midnight Central Standard Time Monday to 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Winter storm warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Hazardous weather. Heavy snow will taper off through mid-evening. Storm total accumulations of 10 to 16 inches are expected. North wind will shift northwest and increase to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour this evening. This will cause severe blowing and drifting snow overnight with blizzard conditions. Temperatures will drop drastically overnight with lows between 5 below and 15 below zero. Deadly wind chills between 30 below and 45 below zero can't be expected tonight through Tuesday. Impacts. Roads are becoming impassable in many areas. Snow emergencies are being declared in many counties. Visibilities will be reduced to 1/4 mile or less in blowing snow. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur in a matter of minutes with these expected wind chills. Death will also occur if precautions are not taken. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong wind will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong wind and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Repeating, a blizzard warning has been issued from 7 p.m. Central Standard Time or 8 p.m. until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday or 8 p.m. Tuesday for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, and Wabash.